Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened the document and saved a backup. Now reveal hidden formatting so you can target breaks precisely. Turn on Show /Hide with the paragraph button or press Ctrl+Shift+8. This makes page and section break markers visible. Once visible, scan the page where the extra space or empty page appears and identify whether it's a hard page break or a section break labeled Next Page. You need that exact label to choose the correct removal method that follows. With the break revealed, click to place the cursor just before or directly on the break marker and press Delete for a simple page break removal. That eliminates the extra page immediately. For a section break, deleting can change headers, footers, or margins, so instead change the section start. Go to Page Setup or Layout and set Section Start to Continuous, which merges formatting without forcing a new page. Make sure to review headers and margins after either action to confirm layout stayed correct. Once you've removed or converted the break, hide formatting marks and scroll through the document to confirm the layout. If an unwanted blank page remains, inspect for trailing empty paragraphs, select and delete those paragraph marks, or examine a large table pushing content. Convert it to auto-resize or change text wrapping. As a last resort, select stray paragraphs at the end and set font size to 1 pt or delete them. If headers shift, reapply correct section header links and save your clean document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.